Good day, students. In this video I'll be teaching a few questions on percentage and how to find the cost price when we know the profit percent and the selling price. So what we go ahead and do here is, since we don't know the value of CP, we of course put it as any variable, and in this case let us take CP as X. And now what we do is, we know profit percent is 10% and we know the selling price, which is SP. So what we do is we use profit percent formula to find our cost price. And from the formulas we know that profit percent equals profit over CP times 100. Now this is the formula of profit percent. Now since we have to find CP, we have to also break this profit into something which also has CP in it. And we know that profit is SP minus CP. So now profit percent formula is equal to SP minus CP over CP times 100. Now what changed here is, instead of writing profit as profit, we just broke profit into SP minus CP. And now what we do is we just go ahead and substitute whatever formulas we know and whatever values we know from the equation. Now we know P percent is equal to 10%. So we can write 10 instead of P percent, and we'll have 10 is equal to, the value of SP is known as 2200, which is 2200. And the value of CP in both scenarios are X, so it's minus X over X times 100. Now what we do is we use our knowledge in linear equations to find the value of X here. So what we do is we first transpose this X to the other side. And this is in division terms, so when you transpose, this will change to multiplication. So now what we have here is 10 multiplied by X is equal to 2200 minus X multiplied with 100. So what we did here is we got rid of this X to the left hand side of the equation, and we have all of this on the right hand side. And 10 multiplied by X will give us 10X is equal to, now we use distributive property to break the bracket. So what we do is 100 times 2200 will give us 220,000 minus sign. 100 multiplied by X will give us minus 100X. And now this looks very simple, because this is just simple linear equations where we have to solve for a value of X. So now we have to get rid of this 100X to the left hand side. And we see that it has a minus sign, so when we transpose it will change to plus. So on the left hand side now we have 10X plus 100X is equal to 220,000. 10X plus 100X will give us 110X is equal to 220,000. And now we solve for the value of X. So we have X is equal to 220,000 over 110. Because these two are in multiplication terms, when we transpose it will change to division terms. Now immediately this 0 and this 0 can immediately simplify. And the value of X is 11 can be simplified to 1, 22 can be simplified to 2. And we have 3 more zeros carrying on after it, so the value of X is 2,000 rupees. So in other words, we can say that a cost price is equal to 2,000 rupees, and this will be our answer.